If you're a female foam frog, a single partner is simply not enough. She invites a whole crowd to a foam party. It's the first event of the season at Athena's waterhole. She'll lay her eggs in the froth whipped up by the males, and they will develop safely inside. While some are getting started with their nests, others are finishing up. It's been a long night for the foam frogs, and they're beginning to tire. Sometimes, the foam frog gets taken for a ride, whether he wants it or not. But for one reveler, at least there's a taxi ride home.